Hello everyone, this is Olive Salon and Beauty Spa. It caters to both the genders, a variety of service of various different categories. The employees here are paid salaries at a fixed rate of commission. Every month end, the salaries of the employees are calculated based on the bookkeeping details of customer services and the commission related to them. It is a hefty task for the owner, and the employees are not satisfied with the inconsistent numbers and the human errors in bookkeeping. To solve this problem, a Jagsamite is seen coming to the rescue. The business owner discusses the problem with the Jagsamite, and later shares the data and waits for him to come up with a solution. Here are the key details discussed.
Find ways to solve some of the problems. But first, let's look at the data that we have been provided with. Here, we see the database of the organization. On the top left corner are the genders it provides services to. Beside it is the different modes of payment accepted by them. We further find the range of services provided to both the genders. After that, in this column, we find the price for each of the services. Like we see, although the price of them is different, but the commission to be provided is the same. Next, we find the employee details, which again are different for men and women, and employees can only serve customers of their own gender. Next, we will take a look at the data entry system of the organization. We find different columns here from customer ID to date, then the name of the customer, gender, contact number, and the service provided, the employee who served them, along with the information about price, commission, the owner's share, and lastly, the mode of payment. The data was provided to us in a more haphazard manner. We have sorted it and now we will use them to solve the problem.
I've taken a raw data of 5 columns with an additional column to save new data. Now go to record macro, rename the macro as data entry and press OK. Now select the entire thing and copy the data. Press Ctrl plus left arrow key to go to product code, then down arrow key to go to OM105. Now use relative reference. Plus down arrow key, then turn off the relative reference. Then paste the data using the transpose option, then delete the data which was previously selected. From here, stop recording. Now insert a button, rename the button as save data. After that, assign the macro which we have just recorded to the button and then enter a new data to your previous column. Then click save data and the new entries will be presented in the table. This system works for Olive Salon and Spa. We have made a data entry system on the right side where first you have to enter the customer ID. After that, add the date on which the service was taken, then the customer name, then the gender of the person, the contact of the person. Now, you will see that the services are selected according to the gender of the person. Simultaneously, the bill is generated. After that, the person who is going to serve is selected according to the gender as well. Then select the payment mode, click on save data. Then this new data is going to be added to the table which is on the left. As you can see, the new data gets added to the bottommost row of the table.
To the situation. He explains it to the business owner, and shows him how to use it.
On the front page, we can see that various buttons have been created, which are hyperlinked to different pages on the Excel workbook. Click on Consolidated Data, which will take you to Performance Dashboard. The Performance Dashboard is full of variety of components as well as slicers to operate them. For example, let's take sales by salesperson. The data has been adequately set. But if you want to go for specifics, go to the slicer, let's say serve by, click on AXA and select the month for which you want your data. You will get all the data on the various components of the dashboard. Now, let's take another example. Click on the female and again select the month for which you might want the data for. You can see that the components of the dashboard are interacting at the right time. Again, we can take the example for the same in men category and the dashboard gets updated.